Hello friends, this is Tushar Dhiman and you are watching BNT channel. On this we are providing you some basic principles of refrigeration and air conditioning. And today one of our topic is vapor compression refrigeration system. So the basic cycle of refrigeration, which is VCRS. So this is our first video. So request all of you to kindly once review this and please share your feedback and also some suggestions as some errors are likely to be there. So please comment on that and suggest us to so that we can improve our video in upcoming videos. So let's start with our topic. As I had already told you that our topic is vapor compression refrigeration system, so which is also known as VCRS cycle. So the basic principle of this cycle that today we will study. The scope which I had also told you that the scope of this VCRS cycle is refrigeration and air conditioning department. So this is the scope. The next is the components. The components which include in this VCRS cycle is compressor, condenser, expansion device and evaporator. VCRS cycle made up of these four components. This is about the VCRS cycle, how it works. The first one is compressor. In the compressor, we have to put the work into the system with the help of this device, which is known as compressor. It changes the low pressure refrigerant to the high pressure refrigerant. It actually compress our refrigerant and turn it to high pressure, which we get on the compressor discharge with superheated form. So the refrigerant will be in superheated vapor form with high pressure. So the superheated high pressure vapor will send to the condenser after adding work through the compressor. In the condenser, the pressure remains constant and the superheated vapor will turn into saturated liquid. So at the end of condenser, we will get saturated liquid as heat exchange will be there in condenser. Then the refrigerant flows through the expansion device, which is our it may be capillary or it may be our electronic expansion devices. It depends on the system. So in the expansion device, the process which conducts in this device is throttling process. In thermodynamics, we will also call it as constant enthalpy process. In this, the enthalpy remain constant, in which after expansion, or what we can say after throttling, the saturated liquid refrigerant will be turned into liquid vapor. Some liquid mixture and pressure of this refrigerant is dropped. The high pressure which we got from the compressor discharge is then, after passing through the expansion device, the pressure of this refrigerant will be reduced. So at the end of expansion device, we will get low pressure and subcooled liquid refrigerant, which is then sent to the evaporator. And in evaporator, we will get also heat transfer will be there, and we will get some fan was mounted on that, and in the evaporator we will get cool air, or we can say heat transfer will be there, and temperature of around the evaporator will be reduced. So this is about the cycle, and at the end of the evaporator we will again get the liquid, again get the vapor which was turned from the liquid after collecting the heat from the surroundings. So at the end of evaporator we will get saturated vapor, which is then sent to the compressor in the low pressure form, which was reduced at the time of expansion. So at the left half of this cycle contains low pressure refrigerant, and the right half of this system contains high pressure refrigerant. And one more major thing that I want to tell you, that in this VCRS cycle we only transfer heat after adding work into the system. So this is like we are just moving one container of petrol from one city to another after adding petrol into the container. That you can say a truck may be there, or either it will be a big bulldozer. So this is about only transfer of heat. from one place to another, from this area to this area, from this area to this area. So this is correct. And also these three components, compressor, condenser and expansion device, these three components are sometimes in small air conditioning products. These are inbuilt in our audio unit, and only evaporator was inbuilt in audio unit in case of air conditioning. And in case of refrigeration, these all components are in, you can say that all components are in the same refrigerator. So this is about the VCRS cycle. And also that the thing that I told you that after adding work into the system, we are only transferring heat from evaporator surrounding to condenser surrounding. So this is about the air conditioning cycle, or we can say VCRS cycle, vapor compression refrigeration system. So that's all from my side, and thanks for watching today's video. Please give your suggestion on that. That's all. Thank you.